Welcome to our YouTube channel Technology Tutorials. In this video, we are going to install Docker on Ubuntu using the manual method or the offline method. If you want to learn more on this topic, please visit our blog Technology Tutorials. For this demo, we have 3 subnets, each hosting one server. The first subnet is the public subnet. Its instance launched in the server will be associated with the public IP address. For our demo, we will be creating one server that will be acting as a jump server or the bastion host for these servers hosted on the private subnet 1. We will also be creating the NAT gateway in this subnet. The next is the private subnet 1. Here the applications can only communicate to the servers of the public subnet or to the private subnet 2. There will be no public IP associated to any of the instances of this subnet. These subnets can only be accessed from the bastion host using SSH. The third subnet is the private subnet 2, that is for the offline servers like the database or highly secured data processing applications. These servers won't be accessible from the public subnet also. So any software packages that needs to be installed on these servers first needs to be downloaded on any of the instances of private subnet 1 and then copied to private subnet 2 and then manually installed. In our example, we will be installing the Docker in the server hosted on private subnet 2. The real use case of this is containerized database installation and maintenance. Now let's look into the architecture diagram. We have 3 subnets, 1 public and 2 private. There are 3 route tables and we have the internet gateway linked to the route table of the public subnet and NAT gateway linked to the route table of the private subnet 1. The administrator first log in to the bastion host, then SSH to the app server 1 and from app server 1 SSH to DB server. This is the only way to install any software packages on DB server. So first the administrator needs to log into app server 1, download the software package, copy the same software package to DB server and then manually install it. This concludes our theory part. Now we will get into the live demo. Please continue watching. Let's look at our demo setup. This setup has been created on AWS. We have 3 servers. One is the bastion host that is hosted on a public subnet and is associated with a public IP address. The second server is the server 1 that is hosted on the private subnet. It can be connected only from the bastion host. The third server is completely offline server hosted on DB subnet. Only servers hosted on private subnet can connect to these servers. It cannot be directly connected from the bastion host also. The administrator first log in to the bastion host using the public IP address, then SSH to server 1, download the software packages there, copy the same to server 2, then SSH to server 2 from server 1 instance using the internal IP address of server 2 and manually install the required software packages on server 2. We are currently on the bastion host. Let's check the internal IP address of this server. We can check the IP address using hostname -i command. Now we check if this server has internet access. We use curl command and check if it can access the google.com. For this demo purpose, we use the same private key which we copied to all the servers. Now we can SSH to the private server 1. This server does not have any public IP address, so it cannot be directly connected from the internet. After logging to private server 1, we first check the internal IP address and then we check if we can connect to the internet from this server. We use the same curl command that we used previously to check the connectivity of the bastion host. Next we see the connectivity between the bastion host and private server 2. We try to check the SSH connection, which is not working. The ping command is also not giving any response. Next we log into the private server 1 and download the required packages for Docker installation. First we check our OS version using lsb release-a. Now we go to the Docker repository and download the required packages. We need to download Docker CE, Docker CE CLI and Containerd for this installation. Now we have the required packages. We copy the packages to the DB server or the server on private subnet 2. Now we log in to the private server 2 from private server 1. We check if the copied packages are present. Now we install all the packages using dpkg. After installation, we see if Docker is installed or not. We cannot run the hello world container because this server is completely offline, so we check docker -v to check the Docker version. Docker commands won't work with the normal user. For that we need to add the current user to the Docker group. Relog in again and check. After relogging to the session, we see the same command works. Thanks for watching.